Hello. Do you want to know about a really delicious recipe of chicken? I call it chicken dipped in breadcrumbs. First of all, you get the chicken. Then you dip the chicken into the flour, and then you dip it into the eggs. You crack the eggs into well, first you crack the eggs into a dish. Then you pour flour into another dish and pour the breadcrumbs in the bowl. And then you grab the chicken, dip it in the flour, dip it in the eggs, and cover it up, and then put it in the bowl with all the breadcrumbs, and just cover it up and then lift it up. You might want to do it with a fork. After that, yeah, you might want to use a fork because raw chicken feels kind of slimy. I didn't touch it. I just wanted to say that. Good deal. So, yeah. Then you just keep on doing that and doing that, and put them on a cookie tray, the kind you'd put cookies on. Put them in the oven for about 5 minutes, and then finally, when they come out, your mouth will just want to shove the whole tray in. That's how good it is. Well, some of you might not think it's good, but it's pretty good for me. As you know, my mom makes it. I'm not with my mom right now. I'm at my daddy's house. I'm at my dad's house. Sometimes I go to mommy. Sometimes, most of the time when I go to school, I'm with my mom. And every other weekend, I spend with my dad. Ooh. Well, I'll tell you more about that later. So when you're done cooking the chicken, the breadcrumbs make it taste so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you need more, just write. Chicken love. Everyone loves that chicken. It's so good. Not everyone even thinks it's so good. And we can make our own recipes too later. The bones don't actually show on that chicken. Oh well. Oh well. See you later, and I will teach you about the chicken dog. It's chicken between a hot dog bun. So, that wraps up another episode of Abby's talk show stuff.